shit.
Oh yeah, that's gonna go flying. Oh. Oh, look at the plover. Look at it, it's coming straight from north. You can see by the wind, the trees. Whoa. All the builders are leaving. Oh, shit, fucking lightning. She's coming bad. You know, have you got the keys to quickly shut the shit up?
Yeah.
Because this, I don't know if this is going to be a supercell. Because it's red.
No electricity, then what's gonna happen?
Huh?
No electricity. Can't shut the shit.
Yes, you can. You just unlatch it and then have to hold it to pull it down. Whoop! Freaking phone's trying to blow at me fucking hand. Shit, wonder how Mum's going, because she's over that way. This one was going straight south and then just all of a sudden turned to this way, east. And it's fucking everywhere, honey. The rain's starting to come in here now. Honey? Oof. There goes the bin again. We're gonna have to turn that. The temperature just dropped dramatically. It's that freaking heavy, eh?
Yep.
The only suckful thing about daytime, you can't really see the lightning. Well, it's not that breezy at the moment.
Just go scared.
Yeah.
there.
Here, grab it. Shit. It's gonna hit us pretty bad apparently in 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Mm.
What are we gonna wait 20 minutes?
120. Oof, listen to that coming.
Fucking get them wet. Did you check the mail?
I'm not going out there.
Come on.
No. Oh, listen to that roaring. I'm going to stop this one quickly.